Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette that looks like this, and along with the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival brush kit. I really wanted to review this because, you know, we're in the season of Coachella. Too bad I live in Jersey, so I can't really go. But, you know, I will be celebrating Coachella from Jersey, from my room, while doing my makeup with this, wishing I was there and not here in this 40-degree weather. I'm going to be taking it out of the little sleeve that it comes with, and then once you open it, it looks like this. And then it has the little plastic sleeve that nobody really likes to use. And then this is the palette. My gosh. Oh my gosh. I like really love this palette. I think this palette is so pretty in so many different ways. It comes in 20 shades with a combination of like shimmers and mattes, which I'm like dying for, because if I see one more warm palette, I think I'm going to die. I'm like so over it. Next is the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival 10-piece brush set, which looks like this. From when I like touched it in the store, the quality was superb. I'm telling you, superb. So these right here are all the brushes. They're all like synthetic, and the handle is like a pink rubber handle. It has like a cool texture to it. It's definitely not like an elf brush or something where it's like wood. It has like, it feels like rubber. In this set, you'll get a powder brush, which looks like this. This is number 2, and you'll get a blush brush. And this is number 3, which is the angled contour brush. Number 4, a precision paddle brush. Number 5, a flat concealer brush. Number 6, a large blending brush. Number 7, a fluffy shader brush. Number 8, a pointed creaser brush. Number 9, an angled brow brush. And number 10, a fine liner brush. If you like what you're watching, please comment down below, like my video, and let's get right into this video. So I think I'm going to take the number 8 brush, which is the pointed crease brush that looks like this. And I think I want to take this baby pink shade right here, and use it as a transition shade. So then I'm gonna take, I think I want to go into this purple shade called Swag, right here. And like continue to blend it, like maybe in my crease, I don't really know. We'll see where this goes. Jeez. Going back in with the number 6 brush, I'm going to blend that stuff in. Okay, so after that, I think I want to cut my crease. So I'll be using the number 9 brush. It looks like this. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution concealer. It looks like this in the shade C5. And then what I like to do is I'll just go in like this. Put like a dot here, a dot here, and a dot here. Look up. And then this is where like you're going to cut your crease. So I like to do like a quick like outlining of where I'm going to put my concealer. And then I'll go back in and actually like carve it. So this is what it looks like. If the cut crease doesn't turn out perfect the first time, I'll show you like once I'm done like how you can fix that. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, so now that that is done, it looks like this. It's the number 5 brush. And I'm first going to start with the color Euphoria, which is right here. I'm gonna pack some on, and I'm gonna place it like in my inner corner. I like to pat on the color instead of like dragging, because I feel like it helps the powder or the eyeshadow go on a lot smoother. Next, I'm going to take this color Neon and place it like right next to it. Now that it looks like this, I'm just gonna go in with the blue shade called Trance, which is right here. And I'm going to take that blue shade and I'm just gonna place it on like the outer corner. Now we just gotta blend all this stuff together because you want it to be like a smooth transition from the gold to the green to the blue. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a combination of both the gold, I'm gonna take a combination of both the gold and the green together on the same brush, and I'm just gonna lightly like blend those two together. So to transition my green and my blue, I'm gonna take the color Trance and Neon, which are right here, Trance and Neon, and I'm just gonna transition those two together. And if I feel like I like blended it way too much, like I'll just go back in and add some back in. Now I'm going to go back in with the number 8 brush that looks like this, and I am going to take the color Swag, and I'm going to run it back in my crease to clean up whatever like harsh edges I have, or I feel like this cut crease is a little higher than this one, so I'm just gonna go in and like fix it just like a little bit and just go back in and like blend. So now I'm going to go back in and take the shade Wicked and just blend it also on my bottom lash line. For my inner corner, I want to add the shade Ultimate. Okay, so now I think I want to add some glitter, because is it really Coachella if you're not bathed in glitter? I think I want to apply a little bit of glitter on my inner corner. I have that same color that I applied in like glitter form, and also have a silver. So I want to mix those two together and just plop it on my eye. So I like to use the NYX glitter primer. It looks like this. So I'm going to take the number 10 brush that looks like this. I put some glitter glue in the back of my hand. I'm just going to take it and plop it on my inner corner. I'm also going to put some NYX glue and like place it under the eye. And put some of that glitter under it. I'm going to do the same glitter action onto my other eye. I kind of want to drag out the glitter like all the way up to my brow bone. Next, what I want to do is I want to take these little like crystals and just apply them onto my brow bone and maybe like onto here. I think that would be so cute. I bought these little crystals at the craft section at Walmart. So I think I'm going to take some on here, or maybe just some on my brow bone. Probably gonna put one here So it looks like that. So I went right ahead and put in a few glitters. I'm just gonna follow it maybe till like the end. I'm not really sure what I want to do with this yet. But I'll take some of the NYX glitter glue and I'll put it on the little gem. So just like that. I can wear this look like every day to school. I think I probably would. It's just like, it's so magical. Okay, so now that I've zoomed you guys out, I'm gonna focus on my face. So to bronze on my face, I'm just gonna use the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I'm also using the brush, the number 2 brush. It's actually a really nice brush. I'm just gonna bronze it up because I think I want to use pink, like one of the pink eyeshadows as my contour. So, you know, you want to bronze up your hairline just a little bit, just to give you some color. As if you don't have enough color on your freaking eyes. Okay, so that's a little bit of bronzer. Now I want to go back into this palette. Girl, call me crazy, but I think I want to go in either dippy or electric. One of those two. I don't know if you guys can see it. Is it this one or this one? And I want to use it to like contour my cheeks. I think we're gonna mix both in, just because I want like my face to somehow like connect with like the boldness of my eyes. So girl, oh my god, look at that. Like, just look. That was literally like a boop. And it. So now I'm just gonna contour the same way I contour like this. Oh. Just gonna go in back with the number 2 brush and I'm just gonna blend it in. Because just because it's Coachella doesn't mean you want to walk around with like an uneven, unblended contour. Okay, I think I want to... I'm like working really slowly at this because I don't want to add too much and then end up looking like a freaking watermelon. So I'm just going to add some here and add some here. It's like, look. It's so pigmented. If my my contour isn't blending, I like to go in like circular motion along the perimeter of where I just put that powder, because then I feel like it like diffuses it. I'm gonna take more of that Coty Air sponge. I'm gonna put it on the back of my dirty ass Real Technique sponge, and I'm just gonna clean up if there's any muddiness, or I just brought down my contour way too low. In the meanwhile, while I let this thing bake, I'm just gonna go on and apply some highlighter. I want to use a combination of the Makeup Revolution Ghost Lights Vivid Baked Highlighters that look like this. And if you open it, it has like a skull thing imprinted to the highlighter. And I also want to use probably the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter. It looks like this. And when you open it, this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It's like a true gold. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty. Just look at that. Ugh. I honestly look like a rainbow, and I'm okay with that. But you know what I was just thinking? This pink makes me look sunburned. Like I've been chilling in the sun way too long. But oh wait, it's Coachella. I just don't use it a lot because I feel like it's really glittery. And I'm not really into glittery highlighters. So now I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution on right on top of it. Hopefully this doesn't like mess everything up. Okay, yeah. You see, this one like tones it down. It brings it back to earth. You need to shine. Like, how can you go to Coachella and not have a bum ass highlighter? Like, you have to. Oh my god, I feel so glittery. I love it. For lips, I think I want to go with this Maybelline Super Stained Matte Ink in the shade Escapist. It looks like this. I actually first want to try the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade 95. It looks like this. So yeah, this is my look. This is what I created using this palette, and I really, really love this palette. I think for me, this is like really out of my comfort zone because I don't think I would really wear this anywhere. Unless I went to Coachella, then, you know. Or EDC or like, you know, those places. But I don't really go to places like that often, so I don't really have any places to wear this. So the fact that I could recreate this, well, not even recreate it because it's my creation. The fact that I could do this for you guys and show you what I would wear makes me so, so, so happy. And yeah, this is my look. This is my look. The brushes, I think you all need to buy them. I think they're such good quality. You can do a lot with them. Like, I try to stick mainly with the BH Cosmetics ones just to show you guys that, like, it's a really good deal. You have brushes for everything. The eye brushes are... Now, the pigmentation on this... Girl. Sister wife. Let me tell you something. The pigmentation on these eyeshadows are so good that for $24, I honestly think they outdid themselves. It's just very glittery, and I feel like if I could pick an eyeshadow look, this eyeshadow look represents who I am as a person. Glitter, bold colors, pink as a contour shade, come on. Like, so this is my makeup look right here.